Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome with a new video. So in this video I am going to share some of the arithmetic questions, and these are those questions which appeared in the mock test. By making this video it will be helpful for me to recall it again, and maybe it will be helpful for you, those who are going to appear in the examination. So let's get started. I hope this video is clearly visible to you. So let's get started. So the total contract for completing a piece of work is rupees 2100. P and Q can complete the work in 40 days and 24 days respectively, and they completed the work in 8 days with the help of O. So then find the share of O. So initially in the question they have mentioned that the total time taken by the person P and Q is 40 and 24 respectively. So from this we can calculate the total work they needed to complete. Okay, so this is the total work and here from this we got the efficiency of both P and Q. Okay, so next we know that the total work will be 120 units. Okay, and that is completed by all of them. All three persons work for 8 days and they completed this much of work. Okay, so therefore 120 divided by 3 plus 5 plus x, because here we don't know the efficiency of O, that's why I have taken it as x, and that is equal to 8. So after simplifying this I got 120 divided by 8 plus x, that is equal to 8, and the x will be equal to 7, which is the efficiency of O. Okay, and they asked the share of O. So there is a contract of 2100, but so instead of doing P and Q, there is another person who joined, that is O, to complete the work. Therefore if we take the sum of their efficiencies, that will be equal to 15. So 2100 divided by 15 into the share of O, that is 7, he will get 980 rupees. So this is second question. Time taken by the two trains running in the opposite directions to cross a man standing on the platform are 24 seconds and 10 seconds respectively. It took 16 seconds for the trains to cross each other. So what is the ratio of their speeds? Okay, so from this data what we can conclude is that since the two trains are crossing each other, means they are coming in opposite direction, so the relative speed will be sum of the speeds. Okay. But here we only know the value of the time taken by train 1 and the time taken by train 2. So that is what I have written here, and the relative speed formula will be speed is equal to total distance divided by total time, and they had given that they took 16 seconds to cross each other. So that's why I have written 16 here, and here we don't know what is the distance they traveled, but both traveled the same amount of distance. We know that speed is equal to distance divided by time taken, and if I multiply the speed with time I will get the distance. So that's why I multiplied this time with speed. This is the speed of train 1 plus the time with the speed of the train 2. So after doing this I get 16s1 plus 16s2, that is equal to 24s1 plus 10s2. Therefore s1 will be equal to 6 and s2 is equal to 8, and they asked the ratio of their speeds, that is 3:4. And this is the third question. X kg of P rice variety was bought at rupees 8 per kg, and 3 kg of B rice variety is bought at rupees x plus 8, and this is per kg. Okay, if both the varieties of the rice are mixed and sold at a profit, sold at 12.5 per kg, there is a profit of 25%. Then what is the value of x? Okay, so we can do it in the conventional method also, but here I have chosen to solve it in the alligation and mixture way. Okay, let's move on to the solution part. One variety of rice at 8 rupees per kg and another variety at x plus 8 kg. The question they have mentioned that he sold that rice variety at 12.5%. So here there is an inclusion of both cost price and profit. Okay, but we want only cost price in this place because they have applied the allocation for the cost price only. Therefore here also cost price must come. So therefore 12.5 divided by 5 into 4 will get 10 rupees. Then if I subtract this 10 minus 8 I will get 2, and x plus 8 I will get x plus 8 minus 10 will get x minus 2, and this is that ratio which defines the quantity of the rice taken. Okay, so that's why I have written x minus 2 divided by 2 is equal to x by 3. Initially he bought x kg of p rice variety and 3 kgs of b rice variety. So that is what I have written here. The allegation for the cost price, we will get the total quantity of that item. Therefore 3x minus 6 will be equal to 2x and x will be equal to 6. So this is what they have asked. The curved surface area of the cylinder is 132 meter square and its volume is 462 meter cube. So find the ratio of its diameter to the height. So here I have considered this question because it is not that this question is difficult, because sometimes I forgot the formula for this, so thought of practicing this question. Curved surface of the cylinder will be 2 pi rh, and we know that the volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. So since they have already given the CSA of the cylinder, that is 2 into 22 divided by 7 into R into H will be equal to 132. This is 462, that is equal to 22 divided by 7 into R square into H. So after simplifying this, I got the value of R as 7, and here I substituted the value of R and at this place. Okay, so then I got H value as 3, but they asked the question as we have to calculate the ratio of the diameter to height. So that is we know the diameter will be twice of the radius, that's why I have taken it as 14, that is to 3. So that's it, and hope you like this video. So thanks for watching. Do subscribe my channel and follow Banking Spark.